Let me ask you something honest. When was the last time you wore a sleeveless top and didn't think about your arms at all? No adjusting, no angling your body in photos, no holding your purse strategically to cover the upper arm. Because this is what I hear constantly. I lost weight, but my arms still look worse. I moisturize every day. Nothing changes. I lift light weights, but the skin still looks thin. That crinkly, loose, paper-like texture. Crepey arms. And the most frustrating part? They don't respond like face wrinkles do. You can smooth your face with good lighting and moisturizer. But arms? They show everything. Today I'm going to explain why your crepey arms won't go away. And more importantly, what actually works after 50. No gimmicks. No miracle cream promises. Just real biology and real strategy. If you're tired of hiding your arms and want real answers, hit that subscribe button right now. What crepey skin actually is. First, we need to define the problem correctly. Crepey skin is not just loose skin. It is thin skin. There's a difference. Loose skin can happen after major weight loss. Crepey skin happens when the dermis, the structural layer, loses density. After 40, and especially after menopause, collagen production drops sharply. Collagen is the structural protein that gives skin firmness. It's the scaffolding. When collagen declines, the skin loses internal support. Now here's what most people don't realize. The arms often lose collagen faster than the face. Why? The skin on the arms is thinner to begin with. It gets decades of unprotected sun exposure. It's rarely treated with active ingredients. And most women never apply sunscreen to their upper arms daily. Imagine a mattress without springs. The fabric may still be there, but the internal structure is gone. That's crepey skin. Moisturizer can soften the fabric, but it cannot rebuild the springs. That's why creams alone don't fix it. The 3 real causes. Cause 1, collagen loss. By age 60, many women have lost up to 30 to 40% of their collagen. That's not surface dryness. That's structural thinning. Collagen fibers don't just decrease, they weaken and fragment. That's when skin starts to wrinkle in a fine, crinkled pattern. Cause 2, estrogen decline. Estrogen supports collagen production, hydration, and elasticity. After menopause, estrogen levels drop significantly. Within the first 5 years post-menopause, women can lose up to 30% of skin collagen. That's rapid, and the arms reflect that loss quickly. Cause 3, glycation. This is rarely discussed. Glycation happens when sugar molecules bind to collagen fibers. When that happens, collagen becomes stiff and brittle. This is why you can be thin, be active, eat relatively clean, and still have crepey arms. Because it's not about fat. It's about structural protein quality. Why creams aren't fixing it? Most body creams are designed to hydrate. They contain humectants, oils, and occlusives. They trap moisture. They smooth the surface temporarily. That's helpful, but temporary. Even firming creams usually rely on tightening agents that create a subtle film. They don't penetrate deeply enough to stimulate meaningful collagen production. Crepey skin is a density issue, and density lives in the dermis. That's below where most basic creams operate. This is why you feel smoother after applying lotion. But the crepey texture returns by the next day. The issue isn't dryness alone. It's structural thinning. And structure requires deeper signaling. The internal piece. Here's the part that many beauty conversations skip. You cannot out-moisturize collagen decline. If your body isn't producing enough structural proteins anymore, topical products can only do so much. After 50, several things happen. NAD levels decline. Cellular repair slows. Collagen signaling weakens. This is where internal support becomes relevant. Longevity-focused supplement companies like DoNotAge focus on biological aging pathways, including NAD production and cellular repair systems. The idea is not surface beauty. It's supporting the mechanisms behind tissue regeneration. When NAD declines, cellular energy declines. When cellular energy declines, repair slows. When repair slows, collagen rebuilding slows. Internal support improves the environment in which your skin regenerates. This does not replace skincare. It complements it. External stimulation plus internal support is where real long-term change happens. What actually helps crepey arms? 1. Mechanical stimulation. Skin responds to stimulation. Light massage improves circulation. Dry brushing increases microcirculation. Use a natural bristle brush or your hands with body oil. Massage upward from wrist to shoulder. 3 minutes before your shower. Every day. This wakes up the tissue. 2. Retinol for the body. Retinol signals collagen production. Use a small amount, pea-size for both arms, 2 to 3 times per week to start. Arms tolerate retinol better than the face, but sunscreen is mandatory when using it. Over 8 to 12 weeks, retinol can increase dermal thickness measurably. 3. Protein intake. Collagen is made from amino acids. If protein intake is low, rebuilding is limited. After 50, many women unintentionally undereat protein. Focus on eggs, fish, lean meats, legumes, and Greek yogurt. Aim for 20 to 30 grams of protein at each meal. Your skin cannot rebuild without raw materials. 4. Collagen signaling support. Collagen peptides, vitamin C, and zinc support skin repair from within. Studies show that 5 to 10 grams of collagen peptides daily can improve skin elasticity. Vitamin C is essential. Your body cannot make collagen without it. The goal is supporting the rebuilding process. 5. Sun protection. Daily. On the arms, not just the face. UV radiation breaks down collagen daily. Use broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher. Every morning. If you stimulate collagen but don't protect it, you cancel your progress. Crepey skin does not reverse in 1 week. What most women notice first. Skin feels thicker. Less papery when pinched. Better hydration retention. This happens within 2 to 3 weeks. After 6 to 8 weeks, texture improves. Skin looks slightly denser. Creases soften in certain lighting. After 3 months, more resilience. Less rapid decline. Skin that doesn't crease as easily. This is improvement, not reversal to 30. Improvement to stronger 60. That's realistic. That's achievable. Common questions. Can exercise fix crepey arms? It builds muscle and improves shape. But muscle does not directly rebuild dermal collagen. It helps indirectly by improving circulation. Combine strength training with the strategies above. Is this just age? Age triggers the decline. But lifestyle and support influence how fast it progresses. Is it too late at 65? No. Skin remodels at any age. It just remodels slower. Consistency beats intensity. You don't need extreme treatments. You need steady signaling. Crepey arms are not a personal failure. They are a biological signal. A signal that your skin needs structural support. Hydration helps, but density requires strategy. Stimulate through massage. Protect with daily sunscreen. Nourish with adequate protein. Support internally with targeted nutrients. And stop blaming yourself. Your arms do not need hiding. They need understanding. If this helped you understand your skin differently, hit that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment. Are you dealing with crepey arms? What have you tried? Because we are not chasing youth here. We are building stronger aging.